everybody. So I went over yesterday and picked up the battery for the Jaguar at Batteries Plus, and the real cool thing was I ordered it online to save 10%. Woohoo! It only ended up costing me about $140. Not too bad. But today it's going to be putting it back in the car. And with that, got the old Scion here. Got to open her up because I have the battery in there. And once I get that out, then it's time to go to breakfast with the family. It's Sunday morning, go to Starbucks, hang out, have breakfast. I get my bacon, bean, and egg burrito. Whoa. This thing's heavy. Okay, we got my fancy dancy Duralast. Gonna go in the Jaguar here. And this thing's heavy. Good thing I got that Scion, be able to put it in the back. It was easy to get in and out. So now I gotta just drop it down in the hole. Hardest part is because it's so heavy. Whoa! And she's in. Now I just gotta put the cables on and tighten it up. Fire this bad boy, girl. Not sure what it is. I guess it's a girl, Jaguar. I don't know, are Jaguars boys or girls? Good question. So I gotta get the bar in there. It holds everything together like such. Like this and like that and the other thing. You see my head in here. Oh yeah, it is a Jaguar, you know. It has to be protected while you're working on it. And you never put your cables on while you're working around it, because if you have your cables on and you touch something metal to metal on the positive side, that's not a good thing. You can cross the negative to the positive and get sparks, and you can blow the battery up, and that's not good. A piece of sandpaper got in there. I don't know how that happened. Okay, I gotta get my so I can get the camera down there. And then this little dude right here, and everything goes in there to help hold the battery stable. Oopsie, kicking the camera around. It's so much fun. The rewarding part is I have the knowledge and the capability, and I save money, which is always good, and I enjoy doing it as long as I'm not in a hurry. This goes in here like that. Okay, so I went and got me a flashlight so you can see a little better. I have to kind of get down in the trunk here to get it close. Much better than that one. I'm not pulling too tight because I don't want to damage anything. Put the little handles down. Put the positive side on. Give it just a little tap, just make sure it's down all the way. Give it a nice snug. Not over tightening. That's good. I didn't take anything else apart, so I didn't undo anything else. Put the protective cover back on. And now we're ready for the final connection, which is the negative side. Here we go. Ooh, spooky. Little spark, you know. It's got all kinds of fancy components on it. Not sure which what all that does. There we go. We're back in order. That's how you put your new battery in your Jaguar. Get all the wires out of the way. Probably should have put that underneath. Now it's time to start it. Oh yeah, she fired right up. The other day it didn't even want to start. It just kind of clunked. Well, I got her running and realized that she's on empty. So I headed on over to Costco, and they're actually just putting in a fresh tank of fuel underground, and so I'm gonna get some fresh fuel